Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix up Windows 11 volume control or volume button not working. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay, so the first method is that first of all right click on a start menu and go to your task manager. Open Task Manager, scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Now click on a Windows Explorer and restart it. After restarting that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type of services, open services, and after doing this set find out a Windows Audio. Open Windows Audio and make sure that is selected automatic. After automatic that, click on apply and OK button. After doing this set, after that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a device manager. Open device manager. And after that, select audio input and outputs. Select the speakers, right click on update drivers. Click on search automated from drivers. And after that, click on search for update drivers on Windows Update. Click on if any updates available, then download and install in your PC. After that, restart your computer. So after restarting your computer, I'm sure that after doing this set your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, and after doing this set run the play audio. Click on run it. Click next to continue. Click yes, open audio enhancements. Disable, click select disable all the sound effects, click on apply and OK button and click on close it. After doing this set, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.